Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you the Gemini Nano on-device AI without internet on your Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, what you guys want to do is simply go over and check it out. So we're gonna disable our Wi-Fi. I don't have mobile data, so now I'm not connected to the internet. At least I shouldn't be. Yes, we are not connected. What are we going to do here is we can try and go over to the recorder app, for example. Here we can allow it to send us notifications and etc. But we're going to start recording. And as you guys can see, now we got our transcription, so it works just fine offline. But of course, if you keep this recording a bit longer, you can also summarize it entirely. So first, let's just keep it to 30 seconds. And soon we should have an option to summarize it. If you do not have it, then you'll have to download the Gemini Nano. And then you'll be able to use it. So let's go over and stop the recording now. And now we should have our recording right here. We should be able to summarize it, and if you guys cannot do that, then we're simply gonna go over enable the Wi-Fi. And once you enable the Wi-Fi, we're just gonna rejoin the recorder app. Here we should have an option to summarize it. And now what we want to do is we want to update our AI Core app. So first we're gonna go to Google Play Store, update it. And also, once we update it, what are we going to do is we're going to download the Gemini Nano. So now it is done. You can see that we have it. Our AI Core app is now updated, but we have to just reopen the app again. So it's a long process, you could say that, but it's definitely worth it. So now we have to download Gemini Nano to continue. And as you guys can see, is Google's most efficient AI model built for on-device tasks. With it, you can summarize in the recorder app even without a network connection. So we're going to click download, and now we are downloading the Gemini Nano. And once it downloads, I'll see you guys. So it is finally here. So let's just go over, turn off the Wi-Fi, and let's reopen the app. Of course, this time it's better to do the other recording because here the summary is already made. So let me just do another recording, and then we're gonna see if it really works. So I got another one. Now we're gonna tap here and we can see our transcription. This is another one. You guys can read it if you want. I'm gonna click on summarize, and now it is summarizing it. There's no access to the internet. And as you guys can see, the goal of the test is to evaluate the on-device Gemini Nano AI capabilities on the new Google Pixel 11 Pro XL without an internet connection. The participants aim to determine which prompts succeed and which fail to assess the local performance and limitations of the Gemini model. So, as you guys can see, it works pretty fine. Also, there's another feature that you can click on this microphone here, and now here you can click on Get Started, click while using the app. Hello everybody. And sometimes it works, sometimes it will tell you that there's an error, but it is, as you guys can see, I said hello everybody and it's hello overbody. So we can try this feature again, and now we can click on the check mark. As you guys can see, it's thinking a little because we have no internet connection, but sometimes it will tell you, as you guys can see, it's almost correct. Maybe it just did not understand me. But it also works, and you can find a lot more stuff that will definitely work with your local AI without internet. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.